Hey everybody, I'm Jake, and today we're going to draw a pig. So grab something to draw with, grab some paper, and let's get started. We're going to start with the circle a little off to the side of the paper like that. It doesn't have to be a perfect circle. In fact, if it's a little wobbly or a little bit lopsided, that just adds some character to it. Next, draw some ovals inside that circle. They don't have to be the same size. In fact, if they're not, more character. Next, draw a smaller circle on top of that other first circle, and another circle that's the same size right next to it. These are going to be our eyes. So draw some eye blacks. And then we're going to draw the head around like this. So first, add the ear up here. And then add another ear. Add some shark fins. And then you can go ahead and darken that line or draw it in for the first time. All right? Then we can add a little smile. It's just a curved line like that, and then arcs down like here and into there. All right. Next, we're going to draw the body. It's going to come up and around like this. So follow the body up and around. Let's stop before we complete the body. Draw a leg right there. A leg right there. That's the two front legs. Let's jump around and do the leg in the back. I'm not going to make this leg quite as long right there. So when I draw the other leg hidden behind this leg, it looks like it belongs over here a little bit more. Got the illusion of depth like that. Connect that line. Connect that line. And then we can give them little pig hooves. Cartoony pig hooves. And then for the tail, it's going to go like this. Come around like that, and then like a little candy cane with a hook at the end. And then on the other side, little shark fin. And connect it and go like down like that. And that's pretty much it. You can add maybe some spots on your pig if you want. You could give him a tongue if you want, or just fill it in black. So I'm ready for color. Ready? Get your magical coloring fists of power. 3, 2, 1. All right. All right. Cool. Well, how'd yours turn out? I think mine turned out pretty good. Thanks for drawing along with me. It was a lot of fun. See you next time. Bye.